one is the RF of the Land Rover. You can take a look at the adapter connected to the PCB. It's very stable. Now we connect the mini PROG with adapter. Same as before, we click Immobilizer, but in this time we select Land Rover. Select RF, read the D flash and EEPROM. We will read the DF for instance here. Okay, now we have D flash data of Land Rover. You can also find it in file management. Loading the D flash and the EEPROM. In NVIDIA 2, you could program the key for Land Rover. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.